Good morning. Of course, it's a Saturday morning, and I must admit, Ronaldo had to remind me that I was committed to doing the video number 6 on day 6 of the Imsyser Intestinal Cleanse journey. I hope you're having a great time joining me on this venture. Just a couple of interesting things. As of yesterday, I was thinking about that early this morning. I can't really think that I was specifically aware of it previously doing the cleanse, but as of yesterday, I found that I definitely was eating less or less hungry, for lack of a better word. And I was pondering on it and whether I should be sharing that or not, because obviously everybody's different. I have more than likely not mentioned that expected weight loss when you're doing the cleanse could be anything, I think, between 2 and 5 kgs over the week, just by merely removing all that impacted old waste. We have heard of some people losing up to 7 kgs in a week, and that is quite extreme, but obviously those are the cases where people are really, I would say, battling with a lot of excess and usually quite big on their stomach size. So and in those cases, it's very seldom a woman that we see those types of results, but there definitely is weight loss, and it definitely there is weight loss in almost all categories, whether you're healthy or not so healthy, but that's not the reason why you're doing it. But if you want a quick weight loss boost, definitely Imsyser Deep Intestinal Cleanse is one of the ways to go, because you will be losing of that waste. There's up to 7 kgs of impacted waste at any given point in time in most of your unhealthy people battling with metabolic syndromes. So there is potentially all of that. The biggest advantage, and I was processing on the why I would possibly be not really feeling that hungry since yesterday, is the fact that as you remove the waste and all that old lining, and your body is now clean on the inside, naturally you would be absorbing whatever you have been eating a lot better, and that's just a logical process. So with the improved absorption and digestion, obviously in this case, remember I'm taking my daily probiotic as well, the Imsyser 12-strain probiotic as well. With all of that, naturally I would be feeling full a lot sooner. And you know how it works. The minute your body has read that your nutritional input is sufficient, whatever you receive from whatever meal or whatever drinks you've been taking, or supplements and or nutritional supplements, supplement, your body reads the nutritional value. It doesn't read how full you're feeling. That's why some people can eat and eat and eat, literally get to the point where they almost bursting at the sides. And if the value of the nutritional value is not what the body is needing and requiring, you'll just keep on eating. Anyway, that message then gets sent to the brain and the various hormones that either tell you you're either hungry or that switch off the hunger hormone, and that said you actually had enough, are far more effective. So the value add of actually doing a cleanse is not just removing all that waste and or in this case losing some weight if that is your mission statement, but it's also making sure that your gut is truly effective in doing what it needs to do, which is absorption. Absorption giving you improved energy, and absorption improving the fact that your body now can take in all that good nutrition more effectively. So hope that helps you in understanding a lot more of what our Imsyser Deep Intestinal Cleanse is really all about. It's not just creating diarrhea, creating movement. It's really doing quite a different job. That's why it's a different type of a cleanse. And a 7-day journey, as I said, no change of lifestyle. You don't have to stop working. You don't have to go on different diets. But the value add is of insane value. Have a wonderful weekend. Tomorrow is video number 7. I'll probably make that the last one. I said I might even commit to a 10-day cleansing journey. in which case I'll just carry on my own. But I think as of next week, possibly we can start touching on different products in the Imsyser range. And